you should be a youth who's registered with the National Voters Register and you're a resident of that particular village. Basically, if I'm to give an example of, let's say, village A, or let me give just a hypothetical one, maybe Kampuzi village in a certain sub-county. All youth who are residents within that particular village and are registered voters are eligible to contest, are eligible to vote. Then at parish level, all the village executive committee members who have gone through at village level, they can contest, they can vote at the parish level. I want to give a practical example. Let's say a certain parish, maybe called the Nyanga, has 5 villages. At village level, there are 9 positions that have been contested. So if these 5 villages send 9 representatives, so it means that there are 9 representatives per village. 9 times the 5 villages, that is 45. So it means at parish level, the persons who are voting or who can contest are 9 times 5, that is 45. So the electoral college at parish level is composed of 45 youth. Then at sub-county level, that's those are the nominations that we are beginning tomorrow, 9 and 10. The electoral college that votes is the parish youth committees in the sub-county, 1 youth with disability per sub-county, and 2 student representatives per sub-county. I want to look at it practically. Let's say a sub-county I want to use a hypothetical sub-county. Let's say sub-county called the Adix has 10 parishes. It means that the 9 parish executive members who were elected at parish level will go to the sub-county to constitute the electoral college. So I will get my 10 parishes times the 9 representatives for each parish. So that is 90. Then I will add 1 youth with disability, that is 91. I will also add 2 representatives of youth, that's 93. So it means the electoral college for sub-county will constitute 93 members, that is the youth. So these are those who can contest or vote. Anyone who is not above the 93 cannot contest, cannot vote. The next proposition is municipality stroke city divisions. So we have about 56 municipalities in the country, 56 municipalities stroke city divisions in the country. And on 24th and 25th, we shall have nominations for this category. And for you to be part of the electoral college for the municipality level, you should have gone through at parish level. And this election relates mainly to these state divisions in Kampala, and then these state divisions in the other cities, and then the municipalities. The electoral college for district is quite different from the rest. The electoral college for district is composed of chairperson of every sub-county, division, municipality, or town. The secretary for women affairs of every sub-county, division, municipality, town. Then the secretary of finance of every sub-county, division, municipality, and town. And then one youth with disability per district, and then 2 UNSA representatives per district. Let me be a little bit practical. I want to give an example of Kwen district. Kwen, let's say it has 10 sub-counties. It means that every sub-county in Kwen will send the chairperson, secretary for women, and secretary for finance. Those are 3 people. Every sub-county will send 3. So if there are 10 sub-counties, it means that is 3 times 10, that is 30. But then I said there is also 1 youth with disability, that is 31. Then there is 2 representatives of UNSA, that is 33. It means the electoral college for the district youth executive for Kwen district will be composed of 33 members. For you to be able to contest, for you to be able to vote, you should be part of that electoral college. Then for youth, we also have the national committee. The national committee, it also has its own electoral college. And the members who vote are chairperson of every district stroke city, secretary for women affairs, secretary for finance of every district. Then 1 youth with disability, 4 UNSA representatives, 2 of whom shall be female. For the national, you are aware that we have 146 districts